Introduction to Habit Tracking with Bash.
Keeping track of daily habits can boost productivity and personal growth. With just a few lines of Bash code, you can build a simple, effective tool to log and maintain your routines. In this guide, you'll learn the basics of Bash scripting while setting up a personal habit tracker you can use directly from your terminal.
Setting up your habit log file.
Before writing your script, decide where to store your habit logs. A plain text file is easy to manage. You could create a file named habits.txt in your home directory. Each entry will represent a date and your accomplished habits for that day. This keeps the log organized and easy to review later.
Writing the Bash script.
A basic Bash script can prompt you for your daily habits and append them to your log file. The script will use commands like echo to display questions, read to get user input, and date to record the current day. The collected information is then saved to your habits.txt using simple file operations.
How the script works, step by step.
When you run your script, it greets you and asks which habits you completed. After you enter your response, the script records the date and your answers on a new line in habits.txt. This method makes entries easy to track by day and helps reinforce your routine as you use the tool.
Expanding your habit tracker.
Once you're comfortable, you can add features to make your script even more useful. Consider options like viewing weekly summaries, visualizing your progress, or setting reminders. Bash scripts can be extended with loops, conditionals, and simple text processing for greater functionality, all while keeping things lightweight and accessible.